Hey, I got this Central Machinery belt and disc sander from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna unbox it, put it together, and test it out. Okay, here's everything that comes with it. Okay, these rubber feet here go on each of these corners. Oh, I see. Okay, so they just press on there. You gotta, I'm gonna use two hands, but I think they'll just press down into that radius there. All right, you might be struggling with this too. So the trick is to get this end on first, right there. So you just kind of slide this end down on it and then work your way up. Kind of slide it down and then work your way up over it. Still tough. Work your way down. There we go. Then you can work it up into that corner. Finally got that one on. Man, what a pain in the butt that was. Got those on. Okay, the next step is to install this baby. So we're gonna go ahead and install this with this side up. It's gonna go around there. So we're gonna remove these 3 screws. Okay, now we're gonna install this piece. So back here, there's a set screw. That set screw needs to be sitting on this flat. There's a flat right there. I'll get a close-up of it so you can see it better. There's the flat that I'm talking about. So that set screw, they say you want to have that up. That set screw will sit on over that. Okay, that way when you tighten this, you can come down. When you tighten it, you can come down through there. But I'm gonna go ahead and loosen it up a little bit. Okay, I just popped it off there real quick just to make sure these screws were tight. Made sure to crank those down. So I'll go ahead and put this baby on. That flat again. Up. All the way on there. Drop this thing down in that little hole and tighten it on up. Okay, now we're going to take the sanding disc and peel this part off the back and stick it to the wheel there.
I want to make sure I got no overlap. So it looks like it comes right out to the edge. Perfect.
Okay, now we're going to put this cover on. It's going to go right there. It's a no-brainer. 4 holes, 4 screws. Okay, they call this the fence. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and these two screws, you screw right into there, and then this goes right here by that hex bolt. So go ahead and loosen that baby. Give you a wrench for it. Okay, then I'm gonna pop these two screws out, and these tabs actually slide underneath the belt guard there, and then that way this will screw to the fence. Okay, here's the mounting table. This come already assembled like this. What I noticed is these set screws are all the way out and I don't want to lose them. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank them down. Okay, I'm gonna put this baby in right under here. That hole right there. That's where that goes. That way this thing will mount up to there. I'm gonna leave a little bit of standoff there. Then we'll just crank that down. And then you got your adjustment here too. All right, let's test this out. Okay, it's looking a little tight. I'm gonna have to make an adjustment, so I'm gonna unplug it. Okay, what I did, I just kind of loosened it up here. If you push that, you can scoot this thing over. I don't know what's going on while it's doing that, but I'll try to tighten it up a little bit and see if it. Make sure it's centered in this roller here. Tightening that up. Let's try that. Yep, so that thing just wants to keep sliding off this way. I don't know what's going on with that, but I don't like it. Tighten it up some more and center it. About got that cranked down all the way. One more time. Yeah, that thing's just walking right off the end there. That sucks. All right, maybe it's, shoot. I don't know, maybe it's too tight. I'll loosen this, see if that helps. Okay, let's try that. Still kind of wanting to walk up the edge a little bit there. Loosening it up, and there we go. Okay, that seems to be working better. So, you crank that all the way down, I think it grabs it and pulls it this way, so now it seems to be running all right. I'm going to give it a shot. It's a piece of wood. Okay, the other thing I didn't like is that when I put this on, it's moving back and forth like that, and it's tight, so it must not be on there all the way. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen it up and kind of just try to knock it into place. See if I can knock it into place more. Okay, Okay. Tighten it back up. Okay, let's see if that helps. This thing's walking again now. Man, I'm not happy with this. It better not do that all the time. Looks like it's trying to walk around. Not walking over that way. I'll tighten it up a little bit. See that belt's coming this way. I loosen it, it goes that way a little bit. So there's some fine tuning to be done with this. Let's see, it's starting to walk that way now. It's out of center. Takes it off a little. Nice. Yeah, I like that. There we go. Almost forgot one little thing. This thing just slides right in here. Get your angles. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate your supporting my channel, and see you on the next one. I hope this helped you out. All right, thanks again.